In today's video, I'm going to teach you share photos in Microsoft Teams chats. If you want to send a picture to someone in Teams, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. This is useful when you need to share a screenshot, a reference image, or any photo directly inside a conversation without leaving the chat. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. From there, choose the conversation where you want to share the photo. Make sure you are in the correct chat before uploading anything, especially if you are working with multiple conversations at once. Taking a moment to confirm the right chat can help avoid sending the image to the wrong person or group. Once you're inside the chat, look near the Type a message box. You'll see an image icon there. Click that icon to start the photo sharing process. This button is designed to let you insert an image directly into the conversation, so it's the fastest option when you want to share a photo without attaching a larger file in a different way. After clicking the image icon, select Upload from this device. This tells Teams that the photo you want to send is saved on your computer. If your image is stored in a folder you use often, you may already know exactly where to find it. If not, don't worry, just take a second to browse to the correct location. Next, locate and select your photo, then press Open. As soon as you do that, Teams will load the image into your message area. If you accidentally pick the wrong photo, you can usually cancel and repeat the step before sending it. It's always a good idea to glance at the preview and confirm that the correct image has been selected. At this point, you can add a message if you'd like. This part is optional, but it can be helpful to include a short note explaining what the photo is, why you're sending it, or what the recipient should look at. Adding context makes your message clearer and can save time for everyone in the chat. When you're ready, hit send. Your photo will be delivered right in the Teams conversation, where others can view it alongside your message. And that's it. That's how to share photos in Microsoft Teams chats. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very easy part of everyday communication in Teams.